Oh, good. That's right.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Oh, wonderful. Beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, that's a great view.
That's the best view we've ever had.
No kidding. Oh wow.
Jeff is in the car then.
Stunning.
Is this? It's no, and what 2041. 2041. 2041.
Oh, right on my arm.
We got out of here, kids.
You what?
We got out of here. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Isn't it? Open the door. Let's go.
I think this is going to be a nice morning coffee spot.
Yeah.
Hey, Mike, can you bring up the stuff?
Oh wow. Look at the monument.
With the little table you can sit out here. There goes the ferry. Love it.
Beautiful. Where's the stairs?
What's worth the stairs?
Where's your room?
Yeah.
Where's your room?
I was envisioning it was going to be smaller. That was like what my only concern about the place was, that it was going to be super small.
gorgeous.
But I think we're comfortable.
Oh, you got Jim Beam. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Oh yes, a treat. But Jeff,
Yes.
this goes in. That does not go in the fridge. This goes in the freezer.
Nope. Nope.
No.
They'll stay out on the counter.
This will work. No, it didn't say online it was. But wouldn't it be a great idea to make that solution? Like, it'd be a bitch to get it up here.
I don't know how they got this up here. But
We'll make it work. I think Chris will be okay.
and that's where Matt is.
Yeah. Well, they advertise it for 6, so they must be imagining somebody's sleeping. Because you're gonna get 2 guys in there. It'll work. That's definitely gonna work.
Accommodations.
Guys, hang on to the rails, Kathleen.
That's a shortcut.
That's the sidewalk.
A shortcut? I wonder if that code opens
The code works on both doors. She told me that.
What is it? 2104?
2041.
So theoretically,
This
I'm
one's
gonna have to write it down, put it in my wallet.
well, but then you wouldn't be able to get the. Yeah, but the people over there know. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're fun.
Come on now. What a fabulous view.
Is this the one?
It sure is. We got 7 nights. It's gonna be just like Fire Island, the movie on Hulu. Have you seen it?
Oh, I have not, but I've heard it's good. Is it cute or is it like
It's good.
cheesy?
No, I liked it.
Good, because I do have to watch it.
I like Margaret Cho in it very much.
Yeah, I was gonna say she.
How do you like it, Matt?
It's nice. Oh my gosh. Wait, let me come see our accommodations. Yeah, big space. Oh, look at this. Enormous room. Wow, this is so nice. Oh. Oh, here's look. We have a good view. Ah, that's nice. You can stand over there and look out at the monument and see everything. Okay. What would happen if I put like a light in the window and it accidentally wrecks ships?
It's gonna be a red light.
Yes, a red light.